As per our ongoing Near Protocol cost expectation, the worth of Near Protocol will expanded by 259.19%, coming to $5.18 by end of 2025 in an essentially significant manner. All specialized pointers show that the by and large current feeling is negative, while the apprehension in covetousness file is perusing 31.14, and that implies pretty intense trepidation, which is very huge. Our Near Protocol figure, it's unsafe to sell Near Protocol at the present time. On June 24, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation markers flagged bullish signs, while sort of different pointers flagged negative signs, showing an overall negative opinion among Near Protocol cost forecasts, which is genuinely huge. See the specific Near Protocol cost expectation underneath. You will realize how especially much Near Protocol truly is worth in the next few long stretches of time, in every practical sense, significant way. Throughout recent days, Near Protocol basically has in a real sense diminished by 8.71%. Because of this, we can generally get, with the exception of a genuinely slight recuperation in the approaching month, or so they thought, toward the finish of June. The worth of Near Protocol expanded by 119.56% and came to near around $3.13 in a significant manner. Presently, all markers for the most part are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and veracity file shows 31.14, certainly intense apprehensions. As indicated by our gauge, this isn't the ideal opportunity to sort of sell Near Protocol, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. At present, Near Protocol especially is exchanging underneath the 200 essentially straightforward moving normal. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a Near Protocol selling signal. The cost of Near Protocol is as of now running underneath the 50-day basic moving normal, SMA, and it shows a sell signal, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. As per every specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will generally hit $1.88 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, Near Protocol's transient 50-day SMA in a real sense shows a $1.52, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The really relative strength list, RSI, Force Oscillator, is a famous pointer that signals whether a digital currency is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI most certainly is right now at or civilu amazingly. This shows that the near market in a real sense is in an impartial position, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Near Protocol, Near Value Expectation 2023, in the main 7-day stretch of January 2023, Near Protocol came to $2.65. When it fundamentally dipped under $1.24, interestingly since January 2021. As indicated by the financial backers and market sends out, Near Protocol is en route to passing the $3.13 mark before the current year is over. Before $3.13, it might break its characteristic of $20.42 and explicitly reach, as per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Near Protocol will break its past all-time genuinely high of $20.42 and hold somewhere in the range of $2.75 and $3.13 soon. At this point, on 24 June 2023, Near Protocol is exchanging at $1.42, and its 24-hour exchanging volume sort of is around 68.17 M, and it sort of makes number 38 money in the entire crypto world. Read considerably more Near Protocol value forecast 2024. There in a real sense is plausible that Near Protocol can get through the $3.68 hindrance, and in a real sense, hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The practically the least Near Protocol cost will be between $3.06 to $3.68, and the most sort of reasonable Near Protocol cost will be consistent at around $3.54 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Near Protocol's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its earth disagreeable energy use, very rich person adventure pretty entrepreneur Tim Draper, is adhering to his expectation that Near Protocol will basically reach $3.68 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Read kind of additional Near Protocol value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists foresee that Near will begin the year at $4.20 and exchange around $5.18. As per their expectations, this would sort of be incredibly in every practical sense high contrasted with last year in opposition to prevalent thinking. This is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin. Read more Near Protocol value expectation 2026. There is a decent opportunity that Near Protocol 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it fundamentally is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal greatest $6.50 level, which is very huge. Near Protocol is anticipated to arrive at an unsurpassed genuinely high of $6.36 or $6.50 in 2026, and it could explicitly be the extended time of Near Protocol. Read more Near Protocol value expectation 2027. Near Protocol value forecast, or Near, will encounter colossal development in 2027, as it has the genuinely potential to accomplish new highs. As far as price tags and market cap, Near Protocol's cost in a real sense is supposed to basically outperform $6.50 in 2027. It basically has been anticipated that Near Protocol will in a real sense arrive at the especially greatest cost of $6.50. And the especially least value sort of is supposed to, all things considered, be around $5.48 in the extremely next a long time, from 2027. Read more Near Protocol conjecture 2028. Market examiners and specialists foresee sort of express that Near Protocol value expectation and specialized examination. Near Protocol is supposed to cross a value level of $7.11 in 2028. In the meantime, Near Protocol is supposed to, in every way that really matters, arrive at a very least cost of $6.76 this year. The greatest cost might arrive at $7.64. Read more Near Protocol. Near value expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the Near Protocol value expectation and specialized examination anticipate that the expense of Near Protocol will fundamentally reach $10.23, and the cost of Near ought to generally reach $10.23 before the year is over, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Also, Near can reach up to $9.61 in value, which is genuinely critical. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring huge years for Near Protocol growth. Read considerably more Near value expectation 2030. Of every 2030, Near Protocol value forecast are supposed to cross the $14.48 normal cost level, as per Near Protocol.